In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect. You want to open up your Bookmap over here, and then you want to click on Connections top left, and then Configure down at the bottom. Here, you then want to go ahead and hit Add Connection at the bottom left, and then where it says Platform, click on it, and then go to the very bottom where it says Tradovate. So somewhere here, it should say Tradovate. For the first time for me, it was at the very bottom, but right now it's at the very top. So click on that. It's going to basically install, and then you can click on the Tradovate. You can then confirm your Tradovate connection to log in via OAuth or a test demo account, and then here you can go ahead into the advanced settings if you want to, or if you don't, just click on OK, and the connection is going to be created. Now click on Connections again and select Tradovate, make the check mark appear, and then it's going to open up your browser where you basically are directed to the Tradovate website, which is basically this one, and then you have to enter in your username and password, and once you do that, you've successfully connected to your Bookmap, and then you'll be able to go ahead and start using Tradovate with Bookmap. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.